Now it's time to show you our gardening pick of the month for September. It is brilliant and it's going to help you out in so many different ways. Tom Shepherd has joined us to show us this fantastic offer. It's 520933 and it's a set of 3 SUBSEAL waterproof repair tapes, brand new at just $21.98. No postage for the whole of this month, so I would grab it while you can, maybe even multi-buy because you've got such great value. You're getting 3 of them.
You are, yeah. You're getting a clear, you're getting a black and you're getting a white. Now, let me just quickly explain what this does, Catherine. So this is a latex rubber tape with a polyethylene adhesive back. Now, polyethylene adhesive is non-water soluble. So that actually means that you can use this in the wet or even underwater and it makes no difference whatsoever. It's incredible stuff. So what I want to show you firstly is get into a big demo. Here, we've got a 1,000 litre water drum, okay, which is 1 ton of water.
You don't do your demos by half.
No, I want to do a proper demo for you. And we've got a 12mm bit here. The plan is we're going to puncture this and I'm going to show you how SUBSEAL can repair leaks even in the wet. So we can drill into this.
Oh,
and create a leak.
Oh, look at that.
You're then going to take your SUBSEAL. Now, I've already peeled or cut this into a square. The best way to do that is using a knife. Take the SUBSEAL tape, it doesn't matter if it gets wet, and then go over the leak, like so, press firmly, and we've just repaired a 1 ton water cube in seconds.
That is amazing, but your products always are, and that is the way with S-FIXX products. You can trust them.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a product that we've been developing for quite some time. So, let me just show you also the strength of the SUBSEAL tape. Here, we've got 12 kilograms in weight on this dumbbell. We can bond that together, no problem at all, okay? So, where can we use SUBSEAL? So, we've got some gutter in here. So, this is a common thing, a gutter leaking. We can put some water into there, like so. Let's fill that up. And you can see there, we've got a leak happening. Now, the great thing about SUBSEAL tape is that not only can you use it on the outside to seal it, but you can actually also place this into the water, underwater, over the area that's leaking, press firmly and seal that leak in seconds. How
fabulous is that? So
amazing.
If you've got a leak in your paddling pool or in your hot tub, a lot of people got their inflatable hot tubs, you can seal it without emptying it.
Absolutely, yeah, you don't need to do that.
I love it.
If you're lucky enough to have a swimming pool like Simon, you know, you can dive into the bottom without emptying it out and repair your swimming pool. So this is something else, Catherine, also that we can use this for. So this is an inner tube from a wheelbarrow, actually. Could be an inner tube from a bicycle, something like that. As a kid, getting a puncture, I remember time and time again the things I had to do to repair. I had to get the little patches, the adhesive, I had to rub it with sandpaper, I had to do all these things to make this repair. Let me show you how you can also use the SUBSEAL for repairing something like this. So if I put a little nick into there, you can actually hear the air and you can see visually that it's gone down. We can take the SUBSEAL tape, we can go over that area, like so, press it nice and firm, immediately we can then start to inflate that back up again and the tape will expand. No, that's not... I think... Oh, there we go. It might be because it's a little bit hot here. Let's try again. Oh, it might...
But you can see it's not losing any air.
It's not leaking any air, but I really wanted to inflate that up properly for you. There it is going slowly but surely. You can see there, anyway, that the tape has got that. There is no leak. If I hold that to my microphone, nothing.
This product is just incredible and so easy as well.
House pipe, if you're watching this now and you've got a house pipe that's leaking, no problem. You can put the SUBSEAL tape straight over that, no problem. Seal that leak. Even inflatables like that, you can see we've actually got that there. If I just find the clear, you can visually see the hole where I've cut that there with the knife and the SUBSEAL tape has sealed that, no problem.
Lilos.
Even this bucket here. So this bucket here, I've actually cut a massive gap out of there. And look at that. It's completely sealed using the SUBSEAL tape. So, can we just swap places, Catherine?
Indeed, let's do-si-do.
Let's do that. So, what I'm going to do now is just show you a few more demonstrations where you might use it. So, we've got a Perspex tank down here. So, let's just pour some water in there to show that we have a leak. And earlier, as I said, you can actually repair leaks, not just from the outside, but also from the inside. So I can take that SUBSEAL tape underwater and seal that leak in seconds.
Is it only for, I mean, can you use it on metal at all?
Steel, wood, aluminium, plastic,
Wow.
copper, carbon fibre.
Because I had a leak in my bathroom the other day, and this would have been a great temporary fix on the pipe.
Yeah, no, absolutely no problem at all. You can use it for, obviously, a water butt if you're going camping and you've got water barrels, things like that, that you want to repair. No problem at all. Watering cans, if you've got a caravan or a motorhome, the white tape's perfect for white goods, you know, washing machines, caravans, things like that. Have we got some? I think I put a bit more. Some more tape somewhere. Have it? Let me cut some more while that's leaking.
Or is that it there?
Oh, it's there.
There you go.
So we can peel that off again. Hot tubs as well. These you know, the inflatable hot tubs are really popular at the minute. Look at that though, straight over the leak and repaired in seconds.
And is that just a temporary fix, or is that done now? You
It's
can
classed
leave that.
as I would say it's semi-permanent. So I wouldn't like to say permanent because you could actually peel that off again. You know, if you wanted to. It takes a lot of force, trust me, to do it. However, it's an emergency repair. That's what I would class this as. It's an emergency repair to get that repair done quickly. So how about the white? So if you've got white goods or leaks that are happening, maybe you just need to repair the washing machine, the dryer.
Oh, look at that leak.
Anything like that.
Imagine that going all over your floor, maybe carpets. Nightmare. That is exactly what happened to me recently, where the pipe just went under the sink. This would have been great stuff.
Straight over the leak, sealed, repaired. Oops, in seconds.
That is brilliant. And
Unbelievable.
I'm thinking the paddling pools, we've got a paddling pool over there, inflatable furniture as well. I've also got like an inflatable bed that goes in the back of the car. There's so many things, even the tent as well. Tent
repair as well, so if you've got a hole in the tent, if you're going camping, you can take some of the SUBSEAL tape, no problem at all. And this tape, it's extremely sticky on that side, and that side's latex. So it's a latex rubber, a polyethylene adhesive. All you do is take the tape, go over the area like so, press, and that's now a 100% watertight repair on the tent, as simple as that.
So it can be pouring with rain, you're going to be fine. It's not going to soak your sleeping bag.
Yeah, and you're getting the clear, you're getting the black, and you're getting the white in there as well.
That's so fantastic. I love it. What a great idea. And it really works as well. You're getting 3 of them, but only for this month at $21.98 and no P&P. And you've got a 60-day money-back guarantee. I bet there will be times within the next 60 days, if you get this, there will be a time when you're going to use it, whether it's a paddling pool or the guttering or something.
The other nice thing as well is that the shelf life on this is indefinite, so it won't go out of date. So once you've got it, there's no immediate rush to get it used. You can use it as you please. All you do is, obviously, once you peel the back off the protective film and allow the oxygen to get to it, that obviously then starts the curing process. Each tape as well is 10 centimetres in length by 1.5 metres in length by 10 centimetres wide. So you're getting lots and lots of tape. When you cut it, best way to do it, I find, is to use a knife to cut it. If you try and use scissors, it's a bit sticky. It's that sticky. It can clog your scissors. So use a knife to do it, a sharp knife, and yeah, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Just the kind of thing
you'll be so glad that you have as well, isn't it? I mean, look at this, hose pipes. So, you know, we pay a lot of money for these things. Plus, there's the environmental aspect of just dumping things when you know, there's a problem that can be fixed there. And S-FIXX fixes everything. Is just such a great idea. I love this. And look at that, in tents and everything.
I mean, it's been a long time in development, this, you know, and to create the white for white goods as well, the white or for caravans and motorhomes is brilliant. The black for guttering, maybe a black garage door, anything like that. Even a pond. You can seal a roof with this. If you've got a loose, let's say, slate on the roof and underneath it you've got a leak happening, take the slate off, seal it with SUBSEAL, and it's done. Obviously, inflatables, pools, hot tubs, spas, buckets, water barrels, wastewater barrels, you name it, SUBSEAL seals it.
It's so fantastic. Look at that, and waterproof, and you can seal it inside of a vessel. So it might be your hot tub, it might be a little paddling pool, it'll be your bucket, whatever it is. You can put this in wet. A sticky tape that you can stick on wet, and it stays.
And extreme strength.